Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel if you have been here before. And if you have not, welcome to my channel. I am Trice and this is andthatisTrice. I thank you so much for stopping by. So today we are creating this beautiful fall look. Oh my goodness, like y'all, I'm in love. And I say that about every fall look because this is definitely my favorite season. But I think I was kind of inspired by my shirt. It's screaming fall a little bit with the jean jacket. See, I try to create the aesthetic. I've talked about this in a couple of my past videos. I like for everything to kind of flow, right? Just have a really smoky plum lid, brown crease, brown lip situation going on. Yeah, I'm excited. This look would be really pretty with anything you kind of wear for the fall. You can wear mustard with it. You can wear burgundy, you can wear black, white, nude, tan, whatever you want to put on. It's neutral enough, but it's bold enough. And I just put a little silver glitter in the inner corner. So I hope you love it as much as I do. I hope you recreate it, add your own little twist to it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And also, girl, sweetie, go ahead and subscribe, okay? Because you're already here, you're gonna be back. There are children running outside of my apartment. Yeah, go ahead and tap that button down there. It is free and you're gonna enjoy my content. So go ahead and do it. So enough rambling, let's just get into this pretty fall warm look. Alrighty, so we're starting off per the usual, priming our eyelids. This is Porcelain by LA Girl Pro Concealer. I think this is the lightest shade they make. So a lighter base means more pigmented colors. So that's why I went a shade lighter. I normally use pure beige. So now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Banana Powder and I am setting my lid just a little bit. Now going into this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm putting that all in my crease, and this is going to act as our transition shade before we put down any other shadows. So now going into this shade right here, it's kind of an orangey, brownish kind of tone. I'm putting that below where I put the other color in my crease, still above my lid. If it gets on the lid, it's okay because we're going to end up covering it, but I'm just buffing that in with this fluffy brush. Now going into this orangey shade in the 39A palette, I'm placing that kind of in the same area. So I'm kind of building the intensity of the warm browns slash orangey browns. And that's where the color in our crease is going to come from. And it's going to be the star of the show kind of. So now I'm going back into that shade we originally used to blend out any harsh edges where we're placing the darker colors. Now I'm going in with this synthetic brush and this color, this plum pretty purple shade from the 39A palette. Now I'm going to switch to my e.l.f. brush in a minute because a synthetic brush was just not the way to go. I really needed kind of like a natural hair brush to get the most payoff. And so you're going to see me switch in a sec, but I'm just blending that out with my fluffy brush so all the colors kind of melt together. I'm not trying to create a cut crease type of situation this time. I just want everything to flow. So here I am using the e.l.f. brush. This brush always comes through for my darker colors and packing them on. So same thing, blending it out, placing it down. You can make it as light or as intense as you want, just depending on how much you pack and how much you blend. So now I'm going into this brown in my Mented Cosmetics palette because I needed some kind of transition from the purples to the browns that we put in the crease. So it wasn't just like a stark transition. And I'm just blending and buffing that out so everything flows like we want it to. Now I'm lining my lid, kind of creating a wing with my NYC Liquid Liner. I use this liner all the time. It dries matte. I love it. I don't think they sell it anymore though, so I'm gonna have to go to the NYX or I'm gonna have to use my e.l.f. But anyways, use any black liner that your little heart desires to create a wing. And mine's kind of sharp today, but you know what? It's fine. Now I'm going in with these mist lashes. I will have the number down in the description box. I kept the box this time, and we just went ahead and did our face, girl, because the routine has not changed. So I'm going in my waterline with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean, and then I'm just putting all the colors we put in our crease underneath my eyes, right? Underneath my lash line. So those oranges, that purple. Then I'm buffing it out with a fluffy brush so it kind of smokes and blows out. Now I'm taking my Great Lash by Maybelline. It's the big wand, and I'm blending my lashes with the falsies. I have to do this after because my lashes are so curly. So do whatever works for you, but this is how I do it. Then I'm taking my Lash Discovery Mascara, also by, I think this is L'Oreal or Maybelline. I'll have it down below, girl, but I'm trying to define my lower lashes per the usual. It's always a struggle. So now I'm taking this crystal glitter from NYX, and I'm placing that on my inner corner. I just wanted a little pop of something. I have to throw some kind of glitter or sparkle in almost every tutorial. So now I'm just buffing away any extra powder that I let kind of sit on my face a little bit. And I'm taking this orange shadow that we use somewhere in our crease, and I'm using that as a blush. Now I'm defining my faux moles. And then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Baked Highlighter. I think this is Precious Pearls. I'll have it down below. And I'm highlighting all the areas I normally do. The bridge of my nose, my cheeks, my cupid's bow, above my brows, all that good stuff. And we jam out. Then I'm taking this Wet n Wild Photofocus matte setting spray. And y'all, it was a struggle. It did not want to come out, but here we are. Now I am just patting that in. Now I'm taking this Ruby Kisses lip liner. Y'all, this is one of the best lip liners I have ever used, and it was literally like 99 cents. I have been changed. And I'm just lining my lips. This is pretty burgundy. It almost matches the plum in our eyes. And I am just kind of shading in the majority of my lip with that. And then I'm going to go in with Tansy by Colourpop and place that in the center. It's one of their Ultra Satin lips. And I'm just going to kind of zhuzh my lips together.